The remainder theorem says that if the polynomial is divided by x minus k, then the remainder is the value p of k. So given the polynomial and the binomial x minus k, they want us to do two things: use the remainder theorem to evaluate p of k, and then use synthetic division to find the remainder. So with part A, by the remainder theorem, they want us to plug, well, if it's x minus k here, then k is equal to 2. So I want to plug in 2 into my polynomial. And if you do that, then you should get 78. Part B, I want to use synthetic. So I'm still using the 2 in the box, not negative 2, because it's the opposite. And then I want to take all of my coefficients. So I don't put any of the x's, I just put my numbers. So that's a 1, 6, 5, -4, and 2. And then if I use synthetic division, bring down the 1, 1 times 2 is 2, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 5 plus 16 is 21, 21 times 2 is 42, add these up I get 38, 38 times 2 is 76, add these up and I get 78. So this would be where the remainder is when we're doing synthetic division. And this is what they said would be here. And these match. And they should match. That's kind of the point of this. We're showing that these are going to be the same value.